How to fix Facebook black screen issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Facebook's black screen issue. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, simply remove your app from the background. So if you're opening up your Facebook app and there is a black screen, simply swipe up from the bottom and completely remove it from the background. Doing that will simply restart your Facebook app. If that does not work, head over to your Facebook, long press on it, go to app info, go to storage and cache, clear out your storage and clear out your cache. Now after doing that, open back your Facebook and check if it works now. If it does not work, what you will need to do is check for any issues with your device. So for that, you can press on the volume up button and the power button together and tap on the restart button. So a restart can help fix simple glitches, so doing that should fix your problem. If again that does not work, the final option is reinstalling the app. So delete the app and then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.